Are we there yet?
I was almost there.
Are we there?
Grab your juice box. It's time to make a drink. That's it. That's all I got.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Today we're going to show you how to make the Mango Mint Tequila Smash. Ian, Dan, Derek.
Smash.
We're gonna build this. Ian's gonna build it. We're gonna taste it and tell you if it's any good.
I'm not really
and my wife
shit.
designed it, so it's probably pretty good because she was drinking a lot making them.
And she's right there, so if we say anything bad, probably won't be good for us.
She'll just come over and shut off the camera on us.
Such a horrible person.
Yeah, bitter end. Remember,
You heard it here first.
Yeah. You can hear it in the background. Check out the tone.
The recipe breakdown is going to be 2.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila, 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of agave nectar, 1.5 ounces mango
Squeeze that
puree,
shit.
2 dashes of Serrano bitters, 4 to 6 fresh mint leaves.
Oh, come on.
All the 3/4
Come
of it.
on.
That's the breakdown.
I usually get 1/2 ounce.
You'll find that a lot of cocktails have a base. This is obviously a tequila sour base or a margarita like base. We're just using the mango. You're changing it up because you've got your lime, your tequila, and your agave nectar, right? So the only thing you don't have is orange liqueur in the same proportions. This is definitely weighted heavier on the tequila side.
It is.
2.5 ounces of. That's because we love tequila, and why waste your time? Like, here's the thing: if you're gonna spend all this time watching Ian make a drink, you want it to like
Be worth it?
be worth it. Like,
You don't want to waste your time.
Right?
Yeah, I
You
mean,
want to taste the tequila.
You want to taste everything.
Yeah.
You don't want to make like if you make an 1.5 ounce one, you're gonna drink it and you're gonna like I need another one, and then you spend all your time building. You confused? Look at that.
look at
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
that is
Yeah, it is like the
mango madness.
Mango's so good.
mango. Yeah, it is good.
I think there's a little champagne mangoes in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So you get
One
the
and a
puree.
half ounces of mango.
Link
It's a good
below.
amount of mango.
For the affiliate link to Amazon, I'll figure out what she bought on Amazon and link it down below. The Serrano bitters you can get from awesomedrace.com. Go to shop.awesomedrace.com. I sell his Serrano passion fruit. Oh, hold on.
All of them.
Sell them all, but I think one sold out at the moment. But I have passion fruit. I think we have a lot of aromatic walnut bitters. The Serrano are going to be definitely weighted on the spice. So if you're going to make something spicy, a dash is the entire dropper, so you don't have to go too crazy. 1 or 2 dashes usually. 3 if you want a spicier drink, you go 4 dashes, and you
That'll
know.
be spicy.
Yeah. You don't need to get spicy like jalapeno and infused tequila. Just use your favorite tequila and add bitters. Not really bitters, they're tincture.
It makes it easier.
Yeah, and it's gonna last a long time.
Yeah.
Like it gives us a lot in there.
Mango lime's a good mix.
Plus,
Yeah.
Rom, the guy that makes these, he literally, I think he's full time now. Like this guy by far amazed me out of all the different tequila bitters. The only ones I still carry because like they just sell. Like I'm like, what do you do? He's like, I just go around pitching it and stuff. I'm like, yeah, but like nothing has sold as like Scrappy's bitters. They're all over the place, right? And Hella bitters.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
People just don't search them out or buy them. These things I sell, a case every 2 weeks or so. Just bars and a lot of people down south, like Florida area, tend to buy them, and they buy like 2 or 3 at a time. Like, okay,
Well, they must get a lot of use.
yeah. And he pretty much covers the West Coast, and I usually do the East Coast. But because I have free shipping over like 100, people will like restaurants will buy them on the West Coast from me.
Put that in.
Like that.
So,
Someone's got one.
just making sure you're
Not lying.
doing shit right. Well, I mean, he's older.
He's older.
You gotta make sure, you got him on chucking him.
The youngest one here, but he's older.
Yeah, look at that. I'm the youngest one here.
Yeah. He's not even 50. So,
That's right.
like, he's not like this old guy.
Well, that's why I don't do anything. That's why I'm in the middle. Because I can't remember all this stuff.
Wait, are you older than me, Jen?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
You're younger than me.
I like how he just spills it all over the place while he's not
You just, yeah.
Sorry. I'm gonna look
That
at
looks
it.
like an egg yolk.
It looks like carrot juice.
You
It
can
does look
smell
weird.
the mango.
Oh,
Mango smells
I did double straight. There's mint chunks. Doing it.
You just left mint chunks in my drink. No, they're not
That
very
is-
big. They're small mint chunks.
That is,
It is. No, it's too yellow for, it's not carrot enough. Like, carrot tends to be even brighter.
it's good.
It's a little spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I like the spice stuff.
Yeah, the mango and spice goes together.
I like spice too.
Mango lime, mango spice.
You could feel it already happening like right away. And then it kind of takes like 10 seconds to burn it in the throat a little bit.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
And it doesn't dry out too much like the last one.
No, this is definitely more juice heavy. It's the mango doesn't have that same
Oh, it's
tart
got a
factor.
little spice.
Good call.
That's why I stand. I was like, spicy.
Mm. It's good. It's not overly sweet. Got a little spice in the back. Mm.
I'll try baby food by itself.
It does look like either baby food or one of those little juice packs.
I mean, it's thick.
Yeah,
It is
mango's
thick. You okay there? That's some thick.
It's thick.
Spicy?
Well, it's got the little spice in the back. It's not too spicy. No. It's
No,
like the
you
perfect
can make
spice.
it spicier. Just
Yeah.
dump half the bottle in there and freaking light you up. I would
No, it's a good spice level.
The
Yeah.
Serrano is definitely hot.
You know it's there, but then it kind of it disappears pretty quick.
Yeah, it's not like you're like.
It doesn't
"Oh."
have the it's not as intense like the habanero, like the
Yeah, it doesn't have
when
the
you
legs.
infuse
Yeah.
when you
Mm.
infuse tequila with or a ghost pepper like we did. Remember that ghost pepper?
Oh my god, that was hot.
Way too
Yeah.
long.
Like it's way too long, being like 15 minutes.
Do you still have that like?
Yeah,
That's good. You
it's
just
not-
get it on the back
Yeah,
end.
it's down there.
You're like, you don't. There's nothing in the front.
Have you had did you ever have the Naga?
Oh yeah. I forgot
was
we
gonna
had
make
all the
that.
goddamn hot shit.
Yeah, that would work. Even the cork is like falling, burning off.
Yeah.
That's some I don't know why that exists.
I was gonna make
No, when you made that tequila,
Yeah, it's hot.
Jesus.
Yeah. Well, yes,
It doesn't smell.
no,
Try it.
It's not. Take a sip.
the 500,000 count
It's just
Scoville.
500,000
Scoville
yumminess.
Naga chili pepper vodka, and when you get a hot vodka and it comes in a small bottle, you're like, oh yeah,
Exercise caution.
like that is basically like a bitter. Like it's the same thing. It's like a pure concentrated heat that you could put in other drinks. Nobody would sit there and do shots. That would be horrible.
Not if they know what it is.
Yeah. You'd wait for somebody to get drunk and then
Yeah, get around to shots and sneak that one into the drunk persons and see if they notice.
Yeah.
they'll notice.
They'll notice.
Time to sober up, buddy.
If they don't notice, they're dead inside.
Yeah.
If they don't notice, they've had way too much.
That's
So-
good. It's
delicious.
not overly sweet. It's
Well,
I like it.
we're back.
good spice on the back end.
We'll
Mm.
see what they think. What about
Let's know it's half gone.
Yeah, that's right.
It's not half
It wasn't that full to
I
start
gave them a full glass, so
Yeah.
if that comes back empty, they drank
Right.
it all. So
There's a lot of critiques coming from the peanut gallery every night.
Right?
poolside,
Trying
hot?
to be an executive
too
producer.
juicy.
She's got him for Jen's job.
Like that cocktail feels like you can make it in a batch. No,
Yeah, it's fruity. I don't know,
uh,
fruit won't go bad. Don't you want to mix your fruits later, batch your alcohols, and
but it's fake fruit.
yeah. Well, I guess if you're doing it same day, right?
Well, but
yeah,
I do it-
yeah.
I
It's
do
not
it
like
in the
he's
morning.
batching it. That's gonna
Yeah.
be like,
Yeah,
like in a
Yeah,
bar.
it's like the morning. and-
yeah.
Sometimes it's like I'm late because I'm still making it.
Mm.
No?
I don't think it needs the mint.
Mint. Oh, there's mint in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
you
think
went and
I
cut
think the
it.
spice probably kills.
No, but
the
like I
mint a
didn't
little
taste it.
Yeah.
You
Uh,
tasted it?
you-
almost all
The
of it.
aftertaste, yeah.
Oh, maybe that.
I
It
don't think it needs it.
no mint.
No, but it's good because it makes it so like the mango isn't so heavy. Like it feels
Yeah, but
heavy
I
on the
think
mouth,
if
but
more lime,
it doesn't taste it.
I think
Yeah.
we could do no mint and more lime.
Hmm.
Should give the feedback to ChatGPT. See what
Yeah. That's a lot of lime, then.
Well,
An ounce
Sure.
of lime?
that would be like a margarita.
well, there's only 3/4 ounces.
Yeah, they're only
Already.
three quarter usually.
So
Yeah, we have 2.5
well,
ounces.
there's
of
3/4 already. I mean, so another 1/4 ounce of lime.
Yeah.
But it's normally it would be 2 ounces of tequila, so you're already up on the tequila.
That would be but that's like a 2 drink at the pool.
So we have a 1 drink, a 1 drink, and a 2 drink.
Yeah.
By the end, we will have on
We're
the
gonna
floor.
have- we're gonna
This
have
has a 2 drink.
Huh?
I wouldn't do this as a 2 drink.
Just one?
Yeah, if you were, I would rather do the other one as a 2 drink and this one as a 1.
A 1 drink.
It's the mint. It's like I like mint usually, but it's
not there.
Wow. That didn't turn me off at all.
I didn't even know it was there.
I thought it was good.
So make it.
Makes me feel refreshed.
See if you feel refreshed with a nice minty flavored
Minty mango.
breath.
Tequila.
Right, you
Spicy.
get them in.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right. Link below for products. Bartender
Try
Sarah
it.
Kid is awesomedrinks.com along with these guys. That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.
Mango.